Welcome to the Penthouse Suite located at 28 Church Street in downtown Toronto. This unit is located at the heart of the St. Lawrence Market at the corner of Church and the Esplanade. So today we'll be touring this brand new, never before lived in 3-bedroom penthouse suite, which boasts nearly 1,800 square feet of interior space. So the living and dining room cover over 550 square feet of space, which is roughly the average size of a 1-bedroom condo in downtown Toronto now. And you can see in the living room here, you have this beautiful accent wall where we have a fireplace as well as a TV. And we have this corner view of Lake Ontario as well as downtown Toronto. We have a nice seating area here that's set up, which flows really well into the dining space as well as the balcony. Now we're in the centerpiece of the unit, the living and dining area, and you can see it's a corner unit. We have southwest facing views. We can see Lake Ontario as well as downtown Toronto. We have floor to ceiling windows. We have 9-foot high ceilings, which is gonna allow a lot of natural light to come in throughout the day. So the dining area covers over 250 square feet just by itself. It has a walkout to the balcony, and you can see here that this dining table can be extended another 7 feet to the user's delight. Now let's go check out the balconies. So now we're at the first of the 2 outdoor spaces in this unit, which is the first balcony. Now this balcony connects directly to the dining room as well as the 2nd bedroom and provides sweeping views of downtown Toronto as well as the lake. Another great feature about this development is that it has no neighboring buildings, so the view is going to be unobstructed till the end of time. So the developer spared no expense when designing this unit, and you can see that here in the kitchen, a Sq.Ft custom designed kitchen with top of the line Bosch integrated appliances, as well as a custom marble island which matches the marble countertops as well as a marble backsplash. So now we'll make our way to the 2nd balcony, which covers over 340 square feet. It has a south-facing view. It has direct access to gas and water lines, and you can see this is the perfect area for hosting. So now we're inside the primary bedroom, and the ensuite features Sq.Ft custom designed his and her sink, as well as a bathtub and a standing shower. And the walk-in closet is also custom Sq.Ft designed. It has built-in drawers as well as a hanging rack and shelves. So now we're inside the primary bedroom, and you can see here there's a west-facing view towards the city, as well as a very nice seating area, providing for a very open concept primary bedroom space. So now we'll make our way to the 2nd bedroom, which also features an ensuite with a standing shower, as well as a double door closet. And we'll make our way to the bedroom area, and you can see here they have the wainscoting accents again, as well as direct access to the balcony with west-facing views. So now we'll make our way to the 3rd bedroom, and as you can see, this bedroom has been converted to a seating area, which shows the versatility of the space. And we also have here built-in closet space for this bedroom. All right, everyone, so that's it from the Penthouse here at 28 Church Street in downtown Toronto. I'd like to thank the developer as well as listing agent Dylan Donovan and Chestnut Park Real Estate for allowing us to do a tour of this beautiful condo. If you enjoyed this tour, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more information about the listing, please see it in the description below, and we'll see you all next week. Take care.